This model kit review was of the Ilyushin IL-28 Beagle. I guess that's the NATO name. There are the dimensions there. It's a 1/72nd scale model by Trumpeter, and some nice box art there. There's a picture of the model. Some details here about the plane, and some more pictures there. I guess this is the green version. Let's have a look inside and see what we've got. So first of all, look at these sprues here, and looks like we've got some wings. These are nicely molded. I don't see really any rivet lines, but the molding is nice and clean and crisp. Got the recessed panel lines. We've got probably part of our bomb bay there. We've got some engine cowls, some bombs, large and small, and very nicely molded. Over here we've got looks like some glass. So here is our canopy and the front glass there, and maybe something at the back there. There's something at the back that's glass as well. There's our windshield, canopy, and then our nose. This is an old plane from the 1940s and 50s. More engine cowls here. Looks like part of our engine cowls, the nacelles for the back part there. Probably landing gears that go there. Wings will be there. There are our wheels. Some very nice details. Probably part of our engine. Air intakes there. And there are our pilots. Got a little bit of mold lines there, but not bad. Insides there. Here's part of our landing gear, and then wheel wells. There's our gun, and we've got an instrument panel there. There are our ejection seats, and there's the other side there. So over here we've got the last sprue, and this has our fuselage, and the other wing. Got some nice surface detail there. There's our stabilizer. Here's our fuselage with our tail with some nice surface detail. There's the other side, and no real detail on the inside of the cockpit. It's going to be really small and closed up anyway. Here we've got some fuel tanks and part of our gun. Okay, here we have our decals. And looks like we've got that option there, and maybe this option here. Okay, let's have a look at our instructions. Those are the colors needed there. It looks like they're recommending probably Tamiya colors. And there's the parts listing. So we'll start off with our cockpits. Together the ejection seats, putting our pilots in there. It shows you the staggered cockpit there. Then we've got our bombs as well as the bomb bay, and you can do either option. And there's option number 3. Here is the fuselage going together with our rear area there. It shows you've got to cut that. That's a little interesting here, and you're going to use E3 and E4. These are actually stickers that they've put over, so I guess to correct a misprint or to correct the addition. So probably the glass pieces. So That's looks like that's D. Never mind, that's not D. We need E. Here is E, and there's E3 and E4. So this part's going to go on the back. So you have to cut that piece off. It's kind of bizarre. And then we've got the engine going together there with our wheel well. Here's the other one, that's for the left side. Put together the rear of the fuselage, and shows you how to put the gun there. Our wings go together, and our fuel tanks on the sides. Engines are mounted. Then we put our landing gear together. You probably will need to weight the nose, because it is a nose mounted nose wheel tricycle landing gear configuration. I didn't see anything here about putting in anything into the but I would imagine you put it right beneath the I put it right about here so you can have it not be tail heavy. And then here is the decal and paint guide. So this looks like this is the one version here. And here is the other version here. And well, let's see here if that's another version as well. So it looks like there are three options there. 52, 08, and then 1615. So obviously one of their older kits. Newer kits these days from Trumpeter are exceptionally detailed, very well molded, have all the rivet and panel lines. The instructions are usually a bit better, and decals are definitely better, but still that's a great kit to build, good quality molding. That'll be a great build.